Honorable Speaker, sir, in reply to question 159D, sir, the Honorable Minister has stated that there is no acute water crisis. Sir, I will show you my water. Water coming to your house in Upland Road, my house in Lumsora. This is the kind of water. So, sir, I believe that if we don't die from COVID, we may die from cholera. May I ask why is this a normal quality of water for the last 2 years? Any logical explanation, sir, please?
Sir, I do not know, Honorable Member, when she has collected this water on his bottle. And
This morning, sir. This morning.
You see, as you have seen in the papers, that the department has given public notice that the department has tested the new pipeline of 1,000 mm dia. And it is the fact that because this pipeline has been laid for long time ago, so the pipe has collected soil inside the pipe, and when the water has been tested through this pipe, it is true that the water turbid is there. So maybe of that reason, and the department is trying, sir, because we cannot just leave on use of this bigger pipe which will ensure more quantity of water supply. So if I would request the citizen of the state to bear with the department for some time, because we will have to try it again through this bigger pipe of 1,000 mm dia, because we need more quantity of water in the city. So if this problem is arise for some time, I would request Honorable Member and all the people in the city to bear with the department for some time.
Honorable Speaker, sir, if the pipe to my residence has been laid for many years, I built my house in 2003, so I'll not get into that. But look at the water in the reservoir, sir. This was a photograph that was clicked soon after the commissioning of the gravity main 100 mm dia pipe. Sir, I will send you these photos. What is this explanation then? Any explanation for this?
Madam, I have, sir, I have already explained that due to the testing of this 1,000 mm dia pipe, so the water would go to the reservoir, and from the reservoir, definitely it will go to the people, to the individual houses. So the only thing is that, as I already stated, that I would request once again to bear for some time, and I hope that after the testing again, we hope that the water will be more clear, since we have tested 2-3 times of this pipe, and we hope it will be clear gradually.
At start question 159E, in the course of the reply of the Honorable PHE Minister, he has replied that the PHE department plays a vital role and is continuously upgrading infrastructure. Sir, another photo taken on the 6th of April of the reservoirs at Umken, which is not related nor linked to GSWS. This water goes to North Amai and Pokse and Lumia Blot and Mulki and many other places. Sir, this was brought to the notice of the PHE department. In fact, I even spoke to the Honorable Minister. All that is required here is 700 pipes from the source to the reservoir. Of the washed away pipes that got washed in the storm of 2020, 100 mm dia, and this entire cost was only about 50 lakhs. still not functioning. May I have a reply from the Honourable Minister, sir?
Sir, I'm very happy to hear the estimate made by the Honourable Member that we can repair this water supply at just 50 lakhs rupees, and I think that is very much possible if we can do that. But as per the estimated amount prepared by the department for the renovation of Umkhan water supply scheme, the estimate amount reached to 13 crore 2,55,800. Sir. So this is the estimate amount which has been prepared by the department, and it will be taken up under the third departmental committee meeting, which will be held shortly, sir, for consideration of this estimate.
Honourable Speaker, sir, again, in course of reply to 159D, I would like to inform you, sir, that as an MLA of this constituency, in the last 11 months, sir, approximately I have been spending 63,000 rupees for buying water to my residents. Can you imagine the plight of the poor and those that cannot afford it? One tanki costs 700 rupees. 1 month, 63,000 rupees approximately. I was running a CCC, sir, 2 CCCs during the COVID period. And there as well, I was buying, and I have invested from my funds substantial amounts of rupees. I will be doing the calculations and I will be bringing it to the attention of the PHE. So, sir, where do we go? Because I am not satisfied even with one of the replies that was given to me this morning, sir.
Sir, about the sufficient supply of drinking water, it depends on the requirement as well. Because I have also a privilege to get drinking water from a municipal where I stay in the government bungalow. Of course, there was a day that water does not come. But there was a time also that water overflow from the water tank. So I learned from there that it is required for us to have an extra container to contain water, not to waste water, when there was a time that water overflow from the water tank. So about the requirement of the honorable member from ryngkat, we understand, sir, that the requirement is huge. And I think when we need huge requirement, we can understand that the normal water supply may not be sufficient for that requirement.
Honourable Speaker, sir.
The last question.
I plead before you, sir, to please intervene on this matter, because if it is happening in ryngkat, surely it will happen in Mulki, surely it will happen in other parts of the city. I request you, sir, please look into the matter and please intervene on our behalf, because drinking water is very, very valuable to all of us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I must put on record the concern and appreciate the concern of honorable member about drinking water in the city, which we are all concerned. We cannot deny the facts, sir. We are all concerned, and from the department also, we are putting our effort continuously to ensure that people in the city get better drinking water in quality as well as in quantity. We are on the job, sir, and we hope that in the near future, by the completion of phase 3, we hope we will be able to supply better quality, better quantity drinking water supply to people of the city, sir.